Hello friends, my name is Shivam from DevOps Schools and I will help you to enable your learning process in various technologies of DevOps, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data and many more. This is our initiative to help you by sharing multiple tutorials and videos. And if you want any specific tutorials or any particular topic, then please do comment in the below comment section and I will help you with it. Also, please subscribe to our premium services on YouTube, which will give you access to more content and videos to enhance your knowledge about all these topics. Also, if you want me to help you with regards to the online trainings and classroom sessions by our qualified trainers, then please do write me at contact@devopsschool.com. Thank you.
This is for the public images, by the way. And if you want to share the private images, you have to buy those stuff, buy the services out here. But using Artifactory, also the one which you are using right now in your project, you can use that also in the team, and then you can do that. So I'm going to show you a demo on these two things using a tarball and using hub.docker.com. Now guys, this is where I'm going to ask for it. Your images, whatever you have developed, you are going to share with me, all of you. So we have 21 participants today. Now in this session, all of you are going to share your images which you have developed with me in form of images, if in form of URL in the chat window. So please look at this demo very carefully, because I'm getting the response hardly 7 8 or maximum 10, but this time we need everyone's participants. So now let's get started. So I have images which I have developed using containers already. So I'm going to restart this session, CentOS. Now clear the screen. Now which images I'm going to share with everyone. So this is the one. Okay, I have to become root a Docker images. Okay, so here this image I have developed is a huge image actually. So which I'm going to share with you all. Okay, and same thing you will do with me also. So how do I share this image using tarball? So guys, I will go a location where I can store the tarball. So here docker save -o means output, to which file, one file name you can give it, and tar, the name of the file you can have it anything, and then image name. That's all. Now this image, the tar ball is being created, and this tar ball will have all the layers which we have to that images. So the save command will get all this layer copied in the tar ball and make it available for you. Now one more thing guys, here if you really want to understand more about the image anatomy, so what you can do, you can untar this file, and then you can go each and everything and you can study about this. So by the way, this is the tarball. Now what I'm going to do, this tarball you can share with any file server, using any file server like NFS or anything as such which you are using in your organization, like Artifactory also, or anything. And you can share with your team this tarball, and what they will do, they will load this tarball. The question is how. So before that I have to act like a different guys altogether, right? So let me clean this little bit of it. So I'm stopping this container, both of which, and then I'm going to remove this container. I'm acting like another guy who's having that tarball and who's not having that image, by the way, for time being. He's got the tarball through the file servers, and so I'm deleting this image, acting like another guy. So RMI, here this image I deleted. Now see here, those images I don't have right now, I have a tarball. So what I'm going to do, docker load input this tarball. That's all, very simple. Now this image will be loaded. in your local registry, which is varlib docker and all location, different location. And after that see the images has come. If you want to create a container, see, so easy. Now life has become so easy because of the container. Done. You are running application which has update Ubuntu, Git, Apache and Jenkins. Now see, you didn't spend any time setting up the dev environment, talking to the people, reading document, configuring this, configuring that. Everything is pre-packaged here. And as another guys, you can run it. So guys, did you understand that how do we share the images using tarball? So these are the commands I run in order to share an image. Okay, now guys, this is the second demo which I am going to give it to you. Also please focus on this demo because you have to do the same thing. So before that, I'm going to write in the step so that way you will not get lost. So step 4, step 5 and so on. So guys, in the step 1, what we have to do, registered at hub.docker.com. Yeah, it's a free registration. Anyone can register it. Okay, in fact you also can register it. After that, you have to verify your registration, verify your account. How to register and how to verify, I don't think so I should teach you because simple website registration. After that, you have to create repo at hub.docker.com. This is the public repo you have to create. This public repo is free, as many you can create. If you create a private repo, one is free, more than one is paid. So you create this. Now make sure that your local image repo name must match with repo name of hub.docker.com. This is very important guys. You have to make sure that your local image repo name, what is a local image repo name? This is the, see, a repo name, this is the repo name, this is the repo name, image name, repo name, whatever it's, you can call it whatever you want to call it, image name, repo name. Okay, so make sure that that local image repo name must match with the repo name of the hub.docker.com. So let's do one thing, and let me complete this, and then after that, docker login, and step 6, docker push repo name. That's all. This command I am going to perform. So do I need to register at the hub.docker.com? No, not exactly. I have already registered it. So I am going to directly log in it, but you will register it. Those who have account prior to this particular session, so you can use that account only. Don't need to register new account. So here I have to log in to hub.docker.com. Now this is the website. I have already signed up, so I'm going to sign in, and this is the username and this is the password. My username is DevOps School and password is stored. So sign in. Okay, now you see here so many functionalities are there. I would request you to be slow, understand, get comfortable with it, because I am almost using almost on every second day, so I will not focus too much. But here you can do creating a repository and listing all the repository whichever you have. You can create and manage your organizations as well, or multiple organizations and project, you can manage it. Okay, and then You can do lots of things here, my content, account setting, billing and all. So yes, I'm going to create a repository which is basically a public repository, and it is a free as long as it's public. By the way, I have created so many repository, I should have deleted those repository, so avoid the wastage of the space of the hub.docker.com, and I'll do that probably this weekend. So yeah, what these are the repository which I have pushed it in the last few months. You can see 15 days, 7 days, all these dates and all, you can see that. So I'm going to create a repository, simple. And here I am going to name this repository. So what should I name it? Basically DevOps school. Okay, it's already named, right? DevOps school is there. So now DevOps 23, something like that, Dev 23. Now I should give the description properly. I should give the public and private. If it is a private, you have to give it, but I'm going for the public. Okay, and then you should also connect to the GitHub account. Remember, GitHub account where the product source code will be there, so you can connect, disconnect, whatever you can do that. It's not useful for time being, but you should do that in a production uses and all, and then create it. So guys, here I created this empty repository. It's like a GitHub only. You got this free accounts. See here, last pushed, never. You should edit all this thing, enable scan, readme file. So many features you have, tags you have, build you have, timeline, and many things are there. So many features are there, and this the one view which you are seeing is a private view. You want to see the public view which is visible to the whole world, you can click on it. So what is your repository name, by the way? Mind it, your repository name is DevOps School slash Dev23. So here, what I have done it, look at my screen here. I completed this, I completed this, I completed this. Now I have to do this one. So make sure that local image repo name must match with the repo name of this one. So now guys, look at my screen here. See my remote repo name is this one. Is it matching? You can find it out. This is the name. What happened? I think I got the console out, session timed out. No problem. CentOS sudo -s docker images. See here is, and the match image name is this one. Is it matching? No, it's not matching. So what do we do in this case? This name and this name should be same. So what we do? Simply tag it. Docker tag which image? This image. Which tag? Latest. You don't have to specify, to this image. Simple. Now you see, look at my screen here. This image and this image is having the same image ID. So name is just a way to it's a linker, basically nothing great. And then same thing, same size, everything is same. So now I'm going to, this is what I did it, and here you did this step number 4. Then I'm going to log in. How do you log in? Simple, Docker login. Now this is the login. Now you have to give your ID. Now your ID is DevOps schools. Password I won't tell you. And you see here, login succeeded. So guys, I logged in, and after that you have to push that repo name. That's all. So here I am pushing this repo name, the one which I created, images, and Docker push, and this one. And right now it is pushing after the login to that repository name. Simple. So it's not very difficult. You saw that. Any questions, any doubts you guys have, you may ask me. Any questions, any doubts? Done guys. Can I go ahead and refresh this? So now guys, anyone in the whole world, those who wants Ubuntu as a root file system plus update plus git plus Apache plus Java, he can get this image, latest one. You want to push the different tag, let's say next day you build the images. Let me do the build the images. I need a command to build the images, and the command is here it is. Okay, and this time I'm building the different version of images. Okay, so what I'm going to do, so the image name I will do this one only, but version I will change this. So here this is the version 2. Simple. See here the same command. Okay, I don't have the container, so I cannot build the image, but you could have done like this if you have that container. Now what I will do, I will tag it this. So wait a second. I think I lost this console somewhere. I'm just locating it. See here, I'm going to tag it with v2, and I'm going to push v2. So it should be the different image, but just for the demoing purpose, I did refresh. So you tag it, report name is same, but the version you got the push to 2 version here. One is the latest, one is v2. So guys, did you understand this? All of stuff. Any questions? Okay. So now this is the steps, this is the commands, this is the topics.
Please enroll our general membership for $399 plan to get access of all the parts.
Along with that, you can access our other tutorials such as Docker, Ansible, Jenkins, Terraform, Splunk, AWS, Azure, and various other DevOps related premium tutorials with our channel membership. If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the $399 plan and grow your skills immensely. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.